RCSI Bahrain first opened its doors to 27 medical students in a small facility in the Seaf area in 2004. The current RCSI Bahrain campus in Busaiteen was officially opened in 2009 in the presence of His Highness the Prime Minister, Sheikh Khalifa bin Salman Al Khalifa, and the President of Ireland, Mary McAleese. The unique building merges Irish and Arabic influence with its rounded shape, atrium and elements of megalithic art, resembling features at the famous prehistoric burial site at Newgrange in Ireland. The tented ceiling, meanwhile, is an acknowledgement of the Arabian Bedouin culture. The state-of-the-art six-floor main campus features a variety of lecture theatres and teaching rooms, laboratories, a clinical simulation centre, a restaurant, common areas, and an extensive library and learning resource centre. Named after our founding president, the Kevin O'Malley Lecture Theatre seats approximately 180 people and is one of the three main lecture halls which are fitted with the latest learning technology. The Ibn al-Bater Clinical Simulation Centre is designed to replicate a hospital setting, with the aim of providing early year medicine and nursing students a safe, challenging and interactive training environment. The Careers Office operates with the aim of helping our medicine and nursing students to identify their personal and professional goals and to support them in the mapping and planning their future healthcare careers. The dedicated anatomy, general purpose and research laboratories each have their own breakout rooms and are used for a variety of surgical experiments, research projects and other activities. The Centre for Student Success is a drop-in centre focused on student well-being. It aims to provide assistance and support on a wide range of issues, from stress management to nutrition. Specialist language and science tutors are also based at the centre full-time. The Avicenna Library and Learning Resource Centre, named after the great Islamic philosopher and physician, offers extensive study space to students. The centre is resourced by over 12,000 printed and online publications and has a dedicated support team, and is further supplemented by the student virtual learning environment. Standing proudly alongside the main campus building, the Hub is the centre of physical and social activity at RCSI Bahrain. It features fully equipped mixed and female-only gyms, a dedicated CrossFit room and a games area. The facility also has a FIFA standard all-weather playing pitch, a multifunctional indoor court area and its own coffee outlet.